Hi, my name is Parker Kit Hill. I am a singer, dancer, actor living in New York. For this test drive, I am trying out the iconic Thom Browne pleated skirt. I love Thom Browne because it's always playing with gender roles. They love to mess with the classics, and that's what I adore. I have an entire runway collection of Thom Browne on my Farfetch wish list. I'll be judging it on 3 different criteria. First is fit. Does it make me feel dressed up? And, does it give me a break from the quarantine lounginess that we're always in? Second, styling potential. Does it work with the rest of my look? And third is comfort. Is it casual enough for a relaxing day in the city? Let's find out. Hello? This is doing everything. I got some cute little brogues on, some nice socks, a skirt, a puffer, a button-up shirt, and a backpack jacket. I love this jacket so much. This is so important in New York. You need to have something that's easy to take off, but also easy to put on, and also easy to hold. So having this where I don't have to really hold it, it's just on my body, is so amazing. This skirt is a nice thick pleated material, and it's super warm and insulated. I have some silk on the inside, but then this on top of it, so there's really no air getting in. And then with the socks, it's literally like I'm wearing pants. I feel nothing, no coldness. We don't like cold here. So this look definitely passes the fit test. I feel so ready to go out and attack the city. And also just let loose a bit. One thing that's super important to me is nails. I love matching my nails to how I'm feeling and my emotions and my clothing. And right now, I really need it. I'm excited to show you guys what we're gonna do because it's gonna be really cute. So here we go. We are here with my friend Mei. She's an amazing nail artist. She's responsible for a lot of these iconic nail looks that you see and adore. I see her so much. She's basically a therapist to me. Anytime I have a crazy idea, she can do it.
You're really obsessed with black long nail, right?
I am, yes.
I love it. I think the red chrome is so cute.
This is something I would do all the time. It's really simple and chic and classic.
Okay, let's do it. Let's clean up cuticle.
This is one of my favorite parts. It feels good. I like a nail that looks very natural to my hand.
Right. You're very specific about the shape. I love it.
This red works perfectly with this outfit because Thom Browne, they have red, blue, and white.
Right.
And I feel like this is just the perfect thing because adding the black, it kind of makes everything uniform.
Right.
There's no gender to this, it's just nails. So have fun with it.
Okay, we did it.
Perfect. So now that my nails are done, thanks to Mei, I feel like this entire look passes the styling potential test. Having the nails working with this is just, it's the perfect match. I have another treat for you guys. My mom is here from Texas. We love her. And we're gonna go and meet her. Let's go. Welcome to New York.
Oh, well, thank you.
My mom is my style icon. Everything that my mom wears and touches is just perfect. I don't know how she does it. So, what do you think about my outfit?
What I like about this is just the cut. I think that Thom Browne, he knows how to cut clothes.
Yeah. You would wear something like this, right?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Baby, fashion goes around and round. This is wonderful, but yeah, I wore this. I wore those. That.
She's coming for me.
This. It's a very complete look.
Cute.
But if there was one thing that I would want, it'd be that skirt.
So this outfit is clearly mom approved, and it has passed the 3rd test, which is comfort. This has been a very successful test drive. And now I'm gonna finish everything with a hangout with my mom. So I'll see y'all later. Thank you. Like what you see? Subscribe to the Farfetch YouTube channel.